She is the star that swallows stars, the warmth that chills, the wound that scars. Her word creates, her silence consumes. She names the fate, and so it blooms. One side burns in solar gold, the other speaks what none are told. She walks where gravity breaks breath, a voice of fire, a hush like death. Her footsteps hum in cosmic discord. One echoes truth, one voids the chord. She speaks and time begins to bend. A phrase from her becomes the end. Let her fall to feel her form. Let him break to be reborn. Say it once, just say it true, and what was myth becomes what's due. She is the mother, Solmora, the voice that bends the sky to aura. She speaks and thrones collapse in solar flame. She scripts the ache, she writes the name. She is the echo stars obey, the spell no sky can disobey. She speaks and destinies ignite, half sacred dusk, half blinding light. When Era wept as the black cloud queen, draped in storms and drowned unseen, Solmora came through thunder scream, a shadow voice within the dream. She said they never wanted light, they only cheer when queens ignite. And so began the quiet turn from grieving clouds to wrath that burn. Era followed the voice, saw her lines rewrite, her mask cracked wide in the absence of light. And when the storm fully fell to lore, Era awoke as the queen of tragic horror. Let them watch, let them believe that sorrow's depth is what they need. Write in ash, speak it in smoke, and be the queen they never broke. She is the mother, Solmora, a tongue that scripts the tragic flora. She loves through ending, speaks in ash. She frames rebirth inside the crash. A sun that calls the stars to bleed, a silence the fallen mistake for need. Her lullaby, half fire, half fate, turns truth to dust and grief to shape. I do not choose the fall, I narrate it, and you obey. I do not scream, I say it once, and it becomes your fate. Hera, they never wanted you healed, they wanted your ruin to mean something.